Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and I am a cybersecurity student. Today my topic is embedding data secretly in audio file with AES encryption. I would like to thank Mr. Imran Khan, without whom the project would not have been possible. In the following slides, we are going to talk about introduction, what is steganography, and some basic terms will be defined related to steganography. Next is research question. As the name suggests, what is the main problem or situation this whole research is based upon? Next, methodology. In this part, I will explain the flow of developed program. AES encryption. In this part, some basic questions related to AES encryption will be answered. And the last end result, the result or the output of the program will be discussed. First of all, some basic definitions. Steganography. Steganography, Greek for hidden writing, is the art of science of writing hidden message in such a way that no one apart from the intended recipient even knows that a message has been sent. The process generally involves placing a hidden message with some transport medium called the carrier. This is quite different from cryptography, which transforms a message into an unreadable string of characters that can only be deciphered by the intended recipient using an agreed upon decoder ring. With cryptography, it is obvious that a message has been sent, but the contents of the message are scrambled. With the steganography, the casual observer would not even know that a message has been sent. There are various types of steganography like image steganography, video steganography, audio steganography. The type in which we are interested in is audio steganography. Audio steganography, as the name suggests, is hiding of data in audio, as the human auditory system is insensitive to small distortions within audio signals. According to many researchers, this technique is widely used. There are various algorithms or methods through which it can be implemented, such as least significant bit method, discrete wavelength transform, also called DWT, echo hiding, etc. The one we have used in this method in this program is least significant bit or LSB based approach. LSB, also known as low bit encoding, is one of the most used method. It is easy to implement and messages can be hidden quite secretly. The distortion rate in LSB is very low in comparison to other approaches. The basic idea is LSB to change the basic idea in LSB is to change the lowest bits of audio file with the messages bits. So next is research question. As LSB is vulnerable to stagger analysis, or a one lucky pause might lead to know the presence of hidden data in audio, it is very much necessary to enhance the security of data transmission between the users to maintain the authenticity and integrity of the hidden message. The aim of this project is to enhance the security by combining the concepts of steganography and cryptography. As mentioned before, steganography is hiding of data in a carrier, and cryptography is the conversion of data into unreadable string. So why not combine these two so that if the attacker or man in the middle even get to know the presence of hidden data in audio, they won't be able to read it or access it. That is exactly what this project aims for, data embedding in audio as well as implementing AES encryption. So in methodology, the basic functionality of program is divided into two parts: embedding process and extraction process. In embedding process, the user selects the embed option, then selects the audio file in which message is about to be encrypted. Then user selects the directory in which encrypted file will be saved. In the next step, the user will have two options, either attach a file or input the text which needs to be embedded. Then the program will ask to set an encryption key which will be later used to decrypt the message. After that, the message will be encrypted using AES and then embedded into the audio file. Next, the extraction process. Uh, in extraction process, at first the embedded audio file is selected. Then the user has to select the directory in which output file will be saved. Then enter the pre-decided encryption key which will be used to decrypt the message. If the key is correct, then the program will move on to the next step, otherwise the program will stop. So first the message will be extracted from the audio and then decrypted. The output file will be shown as well as a text file of name secret.txt will be saved in the chosen directory. Next, AES encryption. So what is the history of AES encryption? Officially, NIST confirmed the development of advanced encryption standard on September 12, 1997. It was originated from Rindal algorithm and declared as the new encryption algorithm by Federal Information Processing Standard. So why we chose AES? The basic idea of implementing AES was it's easy to implement as OWASP claims many encryption algorithms are strong but many developers does not know how to implement it correctly. AES is easy to implement. Next, how secure is it? In the matter of security, it can be said on AES the brute force attack cannot be implemented as it will take approximately 1100 into 10 to the power 75 combinations to brute force attack, which is next to impossible. This is how AES encryption will be implemented. First of all, the encryption part in which user enters the text and then sets an encryption key, after which the cipher message is shown. Later on, that same key is used to decrypt the message. While testing, we took a sample wave file called speech wave whose SNR value, that is sound to noise ratio value, and MSE, which is mean square error, is calculated before and after encryption. By looking at results, it can be said that our program is working fine and there is very less distortion and there is no loss of data. Thank you.